All right, so we're going to talk about the CPR method for giving away products to rank. And now I know not everybody not everybody wants to do this. There's ways you can just rank organically via PPC and putting up a good product. I know that's what I've done. But some people, if you're going into something very competitive or whatnot, some people choose to give highly discounted giveaways with two-step URLs. So this is how you can figure out how many giveaways to do with the CPR method, which you want to describe what the CPR method is, Manny?
Yeah, so CPR, I think most people here, at least in North America, know what it is, right? It's you're giving, you're bringing something back to life, right? Your CPR. Well, that's what we're doing with our keywords. We're bringing them back to life. We're giving them life. We want them to rank to the top of page 1. CPR is also the acronym for Cerebro Product Rank, and it was before we had Magnet. We were using Cerebro, which is our reverse ASIN tool, but you can now do it in Magnet as well. So I'll do Magnet just to make it kind of easy, and I'll do let's do some history. Pull up. Oop, don't want to delete it. Open up a tactical flashlight just to show you what I'm talking about. Okay. That was that misspelling that I did. See? that was, I got to delete that one.
Got you again.
Yeah, I'm going to delete that so it never happens again. Okay, so we'll open this one right here. All right. So let's just say that I'm going for the term, I'm actually going to put flashlight in here just to kind of only show things with the word flashlight. Okay. Let's just say that I'm going after, I'm looking for something that's pretty good. We got flashlight Anchor. Anchor, I believe, is a brand. Flashlight Magnet. Let's sort this by exact phrase volume. Get some big stuff because this will bring up some big ones. Okay, so let's just say that I wanted to go after camping flashlight. Okay, number 15 here. And by going after it, I mean I want to rank to the top of page 1 for this phrase. Okay, so the first thing I would do is I'd obviously put it in my title, but then what you're going to typically do is you want to do a launch for this product, okay, for your product for this particular keyword. So what most people used to do is they would go to a launch service that's out there and they'd pay them, a few $100. And then they would say, hey, we need coupons for, X number of hundreds of products, and they're going to give them away for, 7 to 10 days. That's typically what it was. But nobody really knew the data. So we came up with a formula that works for, 85 to 90% of people that we've seen. It works really well. It's a pretty simple formula, but it works awesome. It's worked for every single product that I've launched. It's worked for thousands of people that are in our FBA High Rollers group. What we have over here on the top right is we got CPR total giveaways and CPR daily giveaways. And the idea here is that you're going to be giving away a certain number of units at a heavy discount with a coupon code, okay, so that people will want to buy your product no matter what it is, right? So if you have a product, for example, let's say you sell, I got this thing, I don't know if you can see it, these little steel mugs, right? I drink my coffee out of this. And let's just say that this sells for $20. If you can go online and you can buy this for $1 because you can apply a coupon to it, you're going to buy it, right? I probably don't need any more of these, but I'm like, for $1 on Amazon, I'll get them as gifts and I'll just give them away to people at the racetrack and my friends and stuff. So that's the idea, is you want to discount enough to where it's a no-brainer and everybody's going to do it. But how many do you give away? Well, we have this column here, and we can see that for camping flashlight, you would need to give away roughly 104. Now, this is an estimation, okay? It might be less, might be more. And it's also going to depend on your product and whether you have that keyword placed very well in your title and everything else. You have to do everything right. Your image has to be perfect and so forth. But you break it down over 8 days. So the CPR daily giveaways is 13 units. So it's 13 units, okay, per day over 8 days equals 104 units. So the idea here is if I'm able to use a launch service or I use social media or whatever it is that I'm using to give away these units, if I can give away 13 units or if I can make sales of 13 units per day for 8 days, okay, with a special URL that has the keyword camping flashlight in it, okay, it's called a two-step storefront URL. I'll show you that in a second. Then you're set, okay? That product should, after about 8 days, rank to the top of page 1 for that keyword. So basically that keyword phrase, when someone types it in, your product is now at the top of page 1. You might find that you hit it right away before then, like we've seen it in 4 days, we go to the top, still keep running it, okay, because you're going to have trailing history. You want to make sure that you have that trailing history. Other times you won't quite hit it. You'll be, at the top of page 2, let's say. You might have to run for a little bit longer or increase the sales velocity, give some additional sales to kind of jump it up. Again, this is a guideline, right, of what you have here. So you just have to find out what phrase you want to go after. Now, obviously, tactical flashlight is the main keyword phrase. But look at this. I'd have to give away 800 units. It's 100 units a day. That might be too much for some people. But this is why you see these big players come in. They have the bankroll to just do this nonstop to all the top keywords, and they can dominate a market, because new guys can't do that. If it costs you $4 to make this thing, and then you've got all the Amazon fees on top of that, right? And you're giving this away for $1, you're losing money for the first 8 days, and at 800 units, that could add up to a few $1,000s real quick. So that's kind of how you do it. I actually did. I pulled this up. If you want to find out exactly what the CPR formula is and how to do it, I got a video. I've got all kinds of stuff. Just to simplify, it's at helium10.com / Actually, you don't need the blog. If you just do CPR, helium10.com / CPR, that will actually pull it up and you can find out about it. Yeah. Cool. Oh, and before I do that, the other thing.
Go ahead.
The other thing I wanted to mention. If I'm on the blog site and you type in Facebook, there's another video that will pop up. It says how to set up Facebook offers to distribute Amazon single-use coupons. This blog post, guys, because I know a lot of people don't want to use launch services, but they don't know how to set things up on Facebook to automatically distribute coupons. I don't know, Brock, if you've actually covered this in one of your videos. It might actually be a cool thing.
I was going to, but I'd rather not make. I mean, I could make the video, but if you've already done it, I'll link it out to here.
Yeah, so there's a video right here that will show you how to do it, and of course all that. It runs you step by step on how to do it. So if you want to save money and not use a launch service, you can use Facebook. They have a pretty cool interface to actually upload your coupons and deliver them. But if you said want me to segue and show how to do the thing?
Yep. So we'll go ahead and we'll show gems and how to make this 2-step URL now.